Imagine a car so iconic it once rivaled the Beetle in style, and now it's back, reimagined for a new generation. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia isn't just a car, it's a rolling tribute to design, engineering, and the pure joy of driving. Volkswagen has taken a beloved classic and infused it with cutting-edge innovation. This is where nostalgia meets next-gen performance. From the moment you see it, the Karmann Ghia demands attention. It retains the flowing lines and sculpted elegance of the original coupe. Long front fenders, teardrop LED headlights, and a sleek, low-slung stance. Chrome accents on the bumpers, mirror caps, and window trim give it that vintage charm, while 19-inch alloy wheels and flush-mounted door handles modernize the silhouette. This isn't retro, it's timeless, redefined. Underneath that refined exterior is a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine pumping out around 240 horsepower. It can rocket from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 6 seconds. And for enthusiasts, there's even an optional 6-speed manual. The platform is borrowed from the legendary Golf GTI, giving it sharp, responsive handling. Adaptive dampers come standard, so you can toggle between comfort and sport modes with ease. It's agile, it's fun, and it sounds fantastic, thanks to a tuned exhaust note that nods to its sporty roots. Step inside, and it's a blend of retro design and modern luxury. Circular air vents, soft touch materials, and polished aluminum trim all echo the past, but the tech is firmly planted in the present. A 12-inch digital display replaces traditional gauges, and the center console features VW's MIB infotainment with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice control, and navigation. Heated and ventilated leatherette or full-grain leather seats, dual-zone climate control, and ambient lighting come standard. Safety? Fully loaded. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, a 360-degree camera, and emergency braking are all part of the package. Starting at just $36,000, the 2026 Karmann Ghia offers style, speed, and sophistication at a compelling price. This isn't just a revival, it's a statement. If you love cars that blend emotion with engineering, this is one ride you can't ignore. Drop a like, subscribe for more car reviews, and let us know in the comments. Would you drive the new Karmann Ghia? Better yet, go test one. This is history in motion.